Welcome to Unlock English Through Stories. Today, we talk about something very important. How listening to English stories can help you speak better. Many people want to speak English, but they feel afraid. They do not know the words. They do not know how to start. They feel shy. This is normal. Many learners feel this. But there is a gentle way to grow in English. A peaceful way, a natural way. That way is listening to English stories, not grammar books, not big words, not hard lessons, just stories, simple stories, stories with emotion, stories that feel real. When we listen to stories in English, we hear real language. We hear how people speak. We hear feeling. We hear rhythm. We hear life. And slowly, the brain starts to learn. This is not just an idea. This is science. The human brain learns language by listening first. Just like babies. Babies do not speak first. They listen. For months, they listen to their mother. They listen to voices. They listen to stories. And then, they speak. Softly, slowly, naturally. This is how the brain is made. Listening to English stories works the same way. It gives the brain real language. It gives the brain pictures. It gives the brain emotion. That's why it works. Psychology says the brain loves stories. It remembers them because stories are like pictures. The brain forgets rules, but it remembers pictures and feelings and sounds. That is why stories help us learn faster and remember more. Also, in stories, we hear the same words again and again. This is called repetition. And repetition is powerful. When we hear something again, the brain becomes stronger. The words become part of us. Repetition is not boring. It is beautiful. It is soft learning. It is gentle growth. Listening to English stories every day is like giving water to a plant. It grows slowly, but it grows strong. You can listen in the morning, while walking, before sleep. You do not need to read. You do not need to write. Just listen and feel. The words will come to you. The sounds will live in your mind. And one day, your mouth will speak them. Many learners have done this. Some listen to stories every night. Some listened while going to school. Some listened during lunchtime. They did not use grammar books. They did not memorize big lists. They just listened. With care. With peace. With love. And they learned. They spoke. They grew. So if you want to speak English, you can start today. No pressure. No fear. Just listening. Let the language enter your ears. Let it live in your heart. And slowly, it will come out of your mouth. This is not fast learning. This is deep learning. So keep listening. Keep learning. Thank you for being here. Thank you for learning with peace. And now, if you really want to grow, if you want to speak English with confidence, with heart, come join us on this channel. Unlock English Through Stories. You can listen to real stories, slow stories, emotional stories that help you understand English deeply. These are not just lessons. These are journeys. Each story helps you feel more. Each story helps you speak better. So put on your headphones and just listen. Every day, let English become a part of your life. Subscribe now to Unlock English Through Stories. Let these stories change your English. Let them change your life. We are waiting for you. Come to listen and grow.